Today we're taking a look at the U.S. General Magnetic Glove and Tissue Dispenser, and that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, as you guys know, I'm doing a series of videos where I'm trying to straighten up my garage and my tools, and today is another video in that saga that we're going to use to straighten up stuff. What I picked up here was a U.S. General Magnetic Glove and Tissue Dispenser. Now, I picked this up on sale at Harbor Freight when they had the 30% off anything under $25. And I don't remember if that was Inside Track member or not, but as always with Harbor Freight, I never pay full price for anything. I always wait until there's a deal on something. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to tell you some of the features about this, unbox it, and then show you where I'm going to put it, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts at the end. So let's get started. Now let's go over some of the features about this. We got a heavy gauge powder coated steel. The powerful magnets hold up to 4 pounds. We got a non-marring so it don't scratch up any finishes like on your nice toolboxes. And then we have the grabbers here that grab the box and hold it in place. Very nice stuff about it. Now, in case I know some people want to know, this is made of Chinesium. But hey, most stuff at Harbor Freight is. I'd rather get stuff that's made in Taiwan, but that's mostly their hand tools from my experience. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what all comes with it. Now we're going to open it up and see what all comes with it. Pull it out here, and it looks like the only thing in the box is the actual unit itself. Open this up. Now you can see here on the back, we do got our 4 magnets here. You can also, looks like, screw it into the wall and mount it that way if you want to. And then you got your fingers on the sides in the back here that hold the box in. So let's go ahead and get this mounted up where I'm going to put it and check it out and see how it's going to work. Alright, well now we're over here at the metal rack, but that's by where I work on my cars and stuff in my garage. And you already seen the video on the paper towel holder we got up over here. I like hanging stuff like that over here right now until I get my tool cart. That way everything's right there. What I'm going to do with this now is I'm just going to mount it up here. And it's only going to have 3 magnets grabbing. So we're going to put it just like that. And then I'm actually going to slide my box of gloves in here. And this one, it is loose. You can see that it don't fit it very nice and tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those fingers I showed you on the side. I'm going to push those up a little bit to grab it. And now I can go ahead, grab my gloves out of here that I need to work on cars, put them on. This keeps it off of the shelf so I can get more free space to get this straightened out. Think I'm going to like it. So let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts. So what's my final thoughts here on this? Well, I think if it was on the toolbox and everything, it's going to be good. I was actually just sitting here and messing with it, and these magnets, I think if this gets bumped real hard, you can see right there, it's going to come off. But I think if you put it on a toolbox like you're supposed to, it's going to be perfectly fine. I got 1 magnet hanging here on nothing, so it don't have all the support that it needs. But overall, I think the finish on it's nice. Fitment on it's nice. Like I said, I adjusted it a little bit because these gloves are a little bit smaller than what it's made for. So I pushed those fingers in. Overall, I say for the price, get it with a coupon. Should have no issues with it. So I give it a thumbs up. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I have links that are affiliate accounts that do help out the channel, that buy stuff like this to do videos with. Others got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.